My mom said that every bird in the morning leaves the nest hungry. Every bird leaves its home trying to find something for itself to stay alive. And subhanAllah, every day it does that, almost all of them come back with a full stomach. And that is the beautiful concept that is called rizq in Arabic. Now, translated to English, it's called livelihood. It's where you get your money, it's where you get your source of income and how you sustain your life throughout. But it's just so much more than that. It's almost like if I could explain this word, it's like what is meant for you. It's basically it's the gist of what is meant for you. And within that meaning of the word, like, what that word encapsulates at the same time is that what is meant for you will find you. Like, it will make its way to you. You don't have to stress about that. And like every time we see something that we like that other Muslims have, we say, hada rizqahum. That's what they are meant to have. And I don't know, I just find that like such a beautiful concept. It's not like something that they just have. It was just meant for them all along. It was written for them from before they were born.